Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host, James. Now, if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit the bell for notifications. Also, leave an awesome comment below at the end of this video. It just helps the channel out. Thank you very much. Today, we are going to be doing a steak. I have a T-bone steak. We're going to be doing it in the new Power XL Air Fryer Grill. We're going to be using the grill grate to get some nice marks on it and season it up. And I'm going to show you just how to get a perfect steak. Let's get into it. All right, this is what we got. We have a T-bone steak, as you can see. And this is going to be super simple. It's probably about 3/4 to an inch thick. And basically the only thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and season it up. And we're going to keep it simple. We're just going to use some salt and cracked black pepper. Alright, so we got this side seasoned up. We're going to let this sit for probably anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes, let it sweat a little bit, and then we're going to repeat the process on the other side. Alright, so we just let it sit for about 5 minutes, soaking up a little bit of the seasoning there. Just make sure to, press your seasonings in. Don't rub them, just kind of press them in. And we're just going to turn this thing over and repeat the same process. Salt and pepper, or any seasonings that you like. Alright, so next put your grill grate on the bottom. Go ahead and push it in. We're going to close it up. We're going to set this thing on 400 degrees. You're going to want to choose on the second knob here the air fry / grill. And we're going to give it, I'm just going to put it on 20 minutes. It's going to take probably between 5 and 7 minutes to get up the temperature. And we're looking between 450 to 500 plus degrees before we throw this thing on. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so now I've got the temperature up to about 450 degrees. I've just used my gun right here, put it right on there, and we're looking at, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's reading in the back 459, 460. This thing is perfect. Alright, let's go ahead and throw the steak on. Now I do have my thermometer in the steak so I know what the temperature is of the steak. So there's my prong that's in the steak. Now we're going to go ahead and just throw this thing right on. Alright, let's go ahead and close it up. We're going to give it probably about 3 minutes and give it a quarter turn. Nice sizzle. Alright, it's been 3 minutes. We are going to give this a quarter turn. And give it about 2 minutes and we'll flip it. Alright, it's been 3 minutes. Now we're just going to flip the steak. Close it back up, and we're just going to finish it for about 3 minutes until it gets the temperature. Okay, it's been an additional 3 minutes, and we are at 135 degrees. Looking good. Let's go ahead and get this thing to the cutting board. We'll see you in a minute. Alright, so this is what we ended up with. I am so waiting. I mean, juice are flowing everywhere, but some pretty good marks. We got it just below 140, and it's rested for about 5 minutes, so probably came up to about 140, 145. Let's go ahead and cut into it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, it's a medium to medium well. So actually, man, it was what, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, and 3, so 9 minutes, and this thing is I don't know if you can see, but a medium to a medium well. Wow, this thing could probably cook this whole steak 2 minutes, 2 minutes, and about 6-7 minutes. Wow, that is amazing, awesome. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's get a little deeper in here. That is soft. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And you know the juices are, oh yes. That's what I'm talking about. Let me take a bite of this. That is soft, juicy, salty, peppery, and amazing. Look at that. This thing's a steak machine. I can't wait to do some other stuff. Awesome. All right, we're gonna bring it back up top and finish this up. See you in a minute. All right, we're finished with the cook. Amazing. I can't believe it. So 9 minutes. We actually got between a medium and a medium well. I mean, next time I do it, I'm gonna do 2 minutes, rotate, or do the quarter turn, 2 minutes, flip it, probably give it 3 minutes, like 7 minutes total to get like a medium rare. But that was phenomenal. That steak was awesome. So yeah, it's super easy, absolutely so. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. All I'm doing here is cooking with different things. Got a great one coming up next week. Make sure to hit the notifications, drop an awesome comment below, and I want to say we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.